of your eyes are reflecting all the long forgotten beauty which this world was so proud of, which was meant to last forever. Why can't I see these colors? Are they gone or am I blind? Go darkness, go away. Go nightmare, go away. There's a new world waiting for me, with no chains to drag me down. And your eyes, in your eyes, I can see it growing stronger. Your eyes are reflecting all the colors of the rainbow. Is it true? Am I dreaming? I can feel it in my heart now. There's a light in the darkness. I can see it shining bright. Now I can feel it near. Now I can see it clear. I'm among a million colors in the sunshine of a lovely day. And your